Mastering Adverbs of Degree. Amplify your English conversation. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of adverbs, specifically, adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree are incredibly useful in day-to-day conversation, helping us describe just how much, how often, or to what extent something happens. So, let's power up your conversational English. Adverbs of degree help us modify and give extra information about adjectives, other adverbs, or verbs. These adverbs answer the question, how much, or to what extent. Examples include words like very, to, so, quite, nearly, just, and almost. For example, you could say, the movie was very interesting, or she runs quite quickly. Here, very and quite are adverbs of degree, giving us more information about how interesting the movie was and how quickly she runs. Placement is a crucial aspect of using adverbs of degree correctly. Typically, we place these adverbs 1. Before adjectives and adverbs. She was extremely tired. Here, extremely modifies tired. 2. Before the main verb. He completely forgot about the meeting. Here, completely modifies forgot. Remember, adverbs of degree don't generally go between a verb and its direct object. For instance, we say, I completely understand the lesson, and not, I understand completely the lesson. Adverbs of degree can be a powerful tool to enhance your English expression. Here are some tips to use them effectively. 1. Vary your adverbs. Using different adverbs of degree can make your speech more vibrant. For example, instead of always saying, very, try using extremely, particularly, or incredibly. 2. Match the adverb to the context. Some adverbs of degree are stronger than others, and the degree of emphasis can change the meaning of your sentence. For example, there's a difference between saying, I'm fairly sure, and I'm absolutely sure. 3. Beware of overusing. While these adverbs can be helpful, overuse can make your speech or writing seem repetitive or overemphasized. Use them when you really need to stress the intensity or degree. And that's a wrap on adverbs of degree. Remember, understanding and using these adverbs effectively can add a whole new level of depth to your English conversation. So keep practicing, keep experimenting, and you'll see your fluency grow. As always, if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, happy learning!